In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add and customize charts in Miro. Perfect for visualizing data, presenting ideas, or making your whiteboard more engaging. Let's start by opening your Miro board and looking at the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Find the chart icon, sometimes labeled as the graph tool, and click it. This opens a menu with several chart options, including bar charts, pie charts, line charts, and even Venn diagrams. Now choose the chart type that best fits your data. Bar charts work great for comparisons. Pie charts show proportions clearly, and line charts are perfect for tracking trends over time. Once you've picked your chart, click and drag it onto your board to place it exactly where you want it. You can resize or reposition it freely to match your layout. Next, it's time to add your data. Simply click inside the chart area to edit or input your numbers. Miro updates your chart instantly as you type. You can also customize the look by changing colors, labels, and chart titles to match your theme or presentation style. And that's it. You've just learned how to add and customize charts in Miro. Use them to make your projects more visual, organized, and impactful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring Miro for more creative tools.